If you're a business owner, then you need to watch this to learn how to boost your productivity and streamline your content creation process. Imagine talking to a computer and it understands you, not just simple commands, but actual conversations. You can ask it about the weather, your favorite book, or even complex topics like quantum physics, and it will respond in a way that makes sense. It can even write stories and answer your questions. Whether you need a creative short story, a detailed essay, or just a quick answer to a trivia question, ChatGPT has got you covered. It's like having a personal writer and researcher at your fingertips. That's what ChatGPT is all about. It's designed to assist you in a multitude of ways, making your digital interactions more engaging and productive. Imagine having a tool that can help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or even learn new languages. It's like a super smart friend who lives inside your computer. This friend is always available, never gets tired, and is constantly learning new things to help you better. It's there to support you, whether you're working on a project, studying for an exam, or just looking for some entertainment. ChatGPT is a special kind of computer program. It's built using advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques that allow it to understand and generate human-like text. This isn't just any program. It's the result of years of research and development in artificial intelligence. It has learned from reading tons and tons of text. Imagine a library with millions of books, articles, and websites. ChatGPT has absorbed information from all these sources, enabling it to provide informed and accurate responses. This helps it understand human language. It's not just about recognizing words, it's about understanding context, tone, and nuance. This makes ChatGPT incredibly versatile, capable of engaging in meaningful conversations on a wide range of topics. You can type in anything, and it will try its best to understand and respond to you. Whether you're asking for advice, looking for information, or just want to chat, ChatGPT is there to assist. It's designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it accessible to everyone. Think of it like texting a friend who knows a lot about many things. This friend can help you with homework, provide cooking recipes, or even offer travel tips. The possibilities are endless, and the more you interact with ChatGPT, the better it gets at understanding your preferences and needs. You can ask it questions, and it will give you answers. These answers are not just generic responses, they are tailored to your specific queries. ChatGPT can provide detailed explanations, suggest resources, and even offer different perspectives on a topic. You can even tell it to write things for you, like emails or stories. Imagine the convenience of having a personal assistant who can draft professional emails, create engaging content, or even help you with creative writing projects. ChatGPT can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters most. ChatGPT is still learning new things all the time. It's constantly being updated with new information and improved algorithms, making it smarter and more efficient. This means that the more you use it, the better it becomes at understanding and assisting you. But it's already a powerful tool that can help us do amazing things, from simplifying daily tasks to providing valuable insights. ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. It's not just a tool. It's a companion that enhances our digital experience, making our lives easier and more enjoyable. Running a business can be tough. There's so much to do. ChatGPT can be like a helpful sidekick, making your work easier and faster. Imagine writing an important email to a customer. You want to sound professional and friendly. ChatGPT can help you write that perfect email. It can even help you come up with creative marketing ideas. Need to write a catchy post for your website? ChatGPT can help you do that too. It can write different kinds of content, from social media posts to even poems. The best part? ChatGPT is available 24/7. It never gets tired and is always ready to help you with your business tasks. This frees up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Let's see some real-life examples of how ChatGPT can be a lifesaver for your business. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a large corporation, ChatGPT can streamline your communication and content creation processes, saving you time and effort. Imagine you own a bakery. You have a passion for baking, but writing isn't your strong suit. You need to keep your customers informed and engaged, but crafting the perfect message can be daunting. you need to send out an email to your customers about a new type of cupcake you're launching. This email needs to be enticing and informative to ensure your customers are excited about your new product. You can type into ChatGPT, "Write a fun and exciting email to my customers about my new chocolate chip cookie dough cupcake." You can even tell ChatGPT highlights about your cupcake and give it context about who your ideal customer is. In seconds, ChatGPT will generate a captivating email that highlights the deliciousness of your new cupcake. ChatGPT will then write an email that is sure to make your customers drool. The email will be engaging, well-structured, and tailored to your audience, making it more likely that your customers will visit your bakery to try the new cupcake. Now, let's say you want to write a blog post about the benefits of choosing your bakery for birthday cakes. A well-written blog post can attract new customers and establish your bakery as the go-to place for special occasions. You can ask ChatGPT, "Write a blog post about why my bakery makes the best birthday cakes in town." ChatGPT will craft a compelling blog post that highlights your bakery's unique qualities, such as your use of high-quality ingredients, custom designs, and exceptional customer service. ChatGPT will whip up a delicious blog post highlighting your bakery's unique qualities. This blog post can be shared on your website and social media platforms, helping to attract more customers and boost your online presence. These are just basic examples. ChatGPT's capabilities extend far beyond emails and blog posts. It can assist with a wide range of tasks, making it an invaluable tool for any business. ChatGPT can do so much more. It can help you brainstorm ideas, create marketing strategies, and even provide customer support. The possibilities are endless. It can write website content, social media captions, and even create stories for your brand. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can handle all your content creation needs, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of your business. With ChatGPT, you can elevate your business communication and content creation to new heights. It's like having a team of writers at your disposal, ready to help you craft the perfect message for any occasion. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your business? ChatGPT is smart, but it needs clear instructions to understand what you want. Think of it like giving directions to a friend. If you're vague, they might get lost. Let's say you want ChatGPT to write a product description for your new line of handmade soaps. If you just type, "Write a product description," ChatGPT won't know what to write about. Instead, be specific. Tell it, "Write an exciting product description for my new line of handmade soaps. Mention the natural ingredients, the beautiful scents, and how gentle they are on the skin." See the difference? The more specific you are with your instructions, the better ChatGPT will understand you. And the better it understands you, the better the results will be. Section 5. Clear questions, clear answers. Getting the most out of ChatGPT. Just like when you ask a friend for help, being clear helps ChatGPT give you what you need. Vague questions lead to vague answers. For example, asking ChatGPT, "Write something about marketing," is very broad. ChatGPT wouldn't know what kind of marketing content you need, what tone to use, or who the target audience is. Instead, ask something like, "Write a list of 5 engaging social media post ideas for my new bakery, focusing on my unique cake designs." Now, ChatGPT knows exactly what you need. Remember, the clearer your instructions, the more relevant and helpful ChatGPT's responses will be. It's all about working together to get the best results. Section 6. ChatGPT's bag of tricks more than just words. ChatGPT is like a multi-talented friend. It can do so much more than just write stories and emails. It's full of surprises. Need help brainstorming new product ideas? ChatGPT can help you generate a list of innovative concepts. Want to create a catchy slogan for your brand? ChatGPT can come up with several options for you to choose from. Think of ChatGPT as your personal assistant. It can help you organize your thoughts, create to-do lists, and even write simple code for your website. The possibilities are endless. The more you use ChatGPT, the more you'll discover its hidden talents. It's constantly learning and evolving, which means it's always ready to impress you with something new. Section 7. Talking smarter, not harder. Refining your ChatGPT conversations. Having a smooth conversation with ChatGPT is key to getting the best results. It's like teaching your friend how to understand you better. After ChatGPT gives you a response, don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions or give further instructions. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to write a poem and you want it to be funnier, simply tell it, "That's great. Now make it funnier." You can also guide ChatGPT by providing examples. If you want a specific writing style, show it an example and say, "Write something like this." Remember, the more you interact and refine your prompts, the more personalized and accurate ChatGPT's responses will become. It learns from every interaction, just like a real conversation. Section 8. ChatGPT, your ticket to business success. In the fast-paced world of business, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. The landscape is constantly evolving, and those who can adapt quickly are the ones who thrive. Whether you're a startup founder or a seasoned executive, the ability to leverage new technologies can make all the difference. ChatGPT can be your secret weapon, giving you a competitive edge. Imagine having a tool that can assist you in every aspect of your business, from drafting emails to creating marketing strategies. It's like having an extra team member who never sleeps, always ready to help you tackle your next big challenge. By automating tasks like content creation and idea generation, ChatGPT saves you valuable time and resources. Think about the hours spent brainstorming blog topics or drafting social media posts. With ChatGPT, these tasks become effortless, allowing you to focus on higher-level strategic planning. This allows you to focus on what truly matters, growing your business and connecting with your customers. Building strong relationships and understanding your clients' needs are essential for long-term success. ChatGPT can help you personalize your communication, making each interaction more meaningful. Just like having a dedicated team working behind the scenes, ChatGPT is always there to support your marketing efforts. From generating catchy headlines to analyzing market trends, it provides insights that can drive your campaigns forward. It's like having a marketing guru at your fingertips. It's like having a 24/7 brainstorming partner, always ready to generate creative content and innovative solutions. Whether you're stuck on a project or need a fresh perspective, ChatGPT can offer new ideas and approaches, keeping your business dynamic and forward-thinking. Embracing the power of AI tools like ChatGPT is no longer a futuristic concept. It's the present reality of successful businesses. Companies that integrate AI into their operations are seeing significant improvements in efficiency and innovation. It's about working smarter, not harder. So, dive in, explore its capabilities, and watch your business soar to new heights. The future of business is here, and with ChatGPT, you have the tools to navigate it successfully. Embrace the change, harness the power of AI, and unlock new opportunities for growth and success.